Hey guys, do you want to color grade your videos from this to this? And from this to this? These video filters are called LUTs in editing language. Don't worry, in today's video, I will be giving you guys my premium ocean LUT. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more such editing tutorials. This really keeps me motivated for making new videos. Go to the description box below and download the zip file. The file will be password protected, so you will need to unlock it first. The password of the file will blink here on the screen in 3 parts, so make sure you watch this video till the end. Once you have got your password, enter it here and click OK. You will now have the .cube file here. Now, we will learn how to add and use this in VN application. You can also use this in other editing softwares like Premiere Pro or Davinci Resolve. Now, open the VN app, click on this plus icon, create a new project, and import any video of yours. Now, click on Filter. Here, click on this Add icon. Now, select the File App option. Here, select the .cube file, and then click on Open. Now, create a new folder. Select the relevant cover picture. Let's select this mountain. Now, name the folder as Travel. And simply click on Create Filter Library. Now, click on the travel category we just created and select the filter. If the filter does not look good in your case, you can even change the intensity of the filter according to your video. If your video still does not look good, go to the Adjust tab, and here you can adjust other settings like exposure, contrast, brightness, and much more. Once you're satisfied with your settings, you can either click on Apply to All or simply click on Done. Now, export the video, and that's it. If you liked this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss out any new video. See you guys in the next one.